Hi everyone, I'm Christina and today we are going to take a look at how to add a new brand inside Squirrly Social. For this we are going to have to log in inside our Squirrly Social. In case you have forgotten how to log in inside your Squirrly Social, you can simply go to squirrlysocial.com and click over here, log in. It's that simple. So how do we add a new brand? We have to go over here, click on this arrow, and then over here create brand. Just like so. Then we have to add a name over here, like so. We can select a time zone from over here. Like so, and then click on this button, add. Now we can see our brand over here. Right now we are from over here, from account settings and brands, and we can see all our brands over here. The new brand that we just added over here. By clicking on this icon, we can change the time zone as well as change the name of the brand. We can also delete a brand by clicking on this trash bin. And of course, once again, by looking over here and clicking on this arrow, we can see all of our brands, as well as the brands that we are not the owner of, but we are invited as a team member. So it's that simple to add a new brand. Now, let's take a look at how to connect your social media profiles. From your account, we have to go over here, manage social profiles, click on it, and then we can see our social profiles. I will first click on these delete buttons in order to connect all my social profiles once again. So you can see how easy it is to connect your social media profiles. For this, we will have to click over here at the social media profile. And then we have to choose from this list the social media profile that we want to connect. The ability to connect multiple social media profiles will depend according to your pricing plan. So let's first click on Twitter. We are redirected to a next page. We can see our account over here. In case this is not the account that we want to connect with Squirrly Social, we can click over here on cancel and then go to X and log into the proper account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social. I'm going to click over here to authorize app. And it's that simple. Now we can see our Twitter profile, the X profile, over here. We can see the profile image, we can see the profile name as well as the handle, the profile type, who added this profile. We can reconnect the profile and delete the profile. Now let's click over here to add a new social profiles, and now let's click on TikTok. We are once again redirected to a TikTok page. We can see our profile over here. It wants to connect with Squirrly Social. In case this is not the proper account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, you can simply click over here to switch account. Then all that is left to do is click over here on this button, continue. And now we can see the TikTok profile over here as well. Let's continue. Let's connect a LinkedIn person as well. And then I'm redirected to the LinkedIn authorization page. I can see my profile over here that wants to connect with Squirrly Social. Once again, in case this is not the profile that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, you can click over here, not you, and log in to the account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social. Let's click on allow. And now I can see the LinkedIn person profile over here as well. Let's continue and connect the LinkedIn page. I'm redirected to this page where we can see what LinkedIn pages we have, and we can select them like so and click on save. Because I have only one LinkedIn page, I can choose only this one. So let's click on save. And now I can see the LinkedIn page as well over here. By continuing, we can connect a Facebook account. Let's click on it. We are redirected to a Facebook page. From over here, we can select which business portfolio would you like to connect with Squirrly Social. I'm selecting the one that I want and clicking on continue. Because this account has already been connected to Squirrly Social, I can see this notification over here. I can simply click on continue. Then we have to select the page that we want to connect to Squirrly Social. I have to click continue. Because I have an Instagram account that is connected to this particular Facebook page, I can simply click on continue, and this way I'm also connecting my Instagram account to Squirrly Social. So let's click on continue and click on save. And now I can see both my Facebook page and my Instagram business page over here. Because Instagram and Facebook is part of Meta, that's why those two are basically together, and you can connect them together. So if you want to start with an Instagram business page, you are also going to be able to connect the Facebook page in that step. So let's continue and connect the YouTube account. Now I'm redirected to this page and select what Squirrly Social can access, manage your YouTube videos and view your YouTube account. I'm going to click over here to select all and click on continue. And now I also have my YouTube account over here. So you can see how easy it is to connect your social media profiles. You simply have to go over here to manage social profiles and then add a social media profile and select from this drop down the social media profile that you want to connect. Once again, the ability to connect multiple social media profiles will depend according to your pricing plan. And once you have your profiles connected, you can simply click on this button to reconnect in case the connection expires, or you can simply click on this button over here to delete the profile that you no longer use. So thank you for tuning in, stay creative, stay inspired, and keep optimizing your online presence. Until next time.